Hello, everyone. I am Advocate Akanksha Chaudhary, and today's podcast is about constitutional law. Its importance not only for the law students but for others too, irrespective of their age or profession. The Constitution starts with "We the people of India" and ends with "Give to ourselves this Constitution." So there lies a duty on each one of us to have at least the basic conceptual understanding of the Constitution. So, most of us confuse it with just a set of texted rules, but this is not the case. The Constitution is a living document. It grows and changes as the society does. It is a supreme law. No other laws or legislation have power to violate the constitutional principles. They work in accordance with it. The Constitution responds to all the emerging challenges and situations. Every question related to the functioning of the state, pillars of the government, that is, executive, judiciary, legislature, or appointment of judges, judicial review, everything is answered by the Constitution only. Recently, the budget was declared. Ever wondered who elects the finance minister? You will find the answer under Article 75, Clause 2. Similarly, the powers and duties of the Prime Minister are enshrined under Article 75. It is our collective duty to educate ourselves at least about some basic provisions like fundamental rights and duties, freedom of speech and religion, cultural and educational rights, right to life, equality before law. You don't need to memorize all these provisions. The basic idea of key topics is necessary. To avoid confusion and mixing of terminologies, the best idea is to practice multiple choice questions, for which we have a book published in 2022 by Oak Bridge and authored by Major General Nilendra Kumar, having 784 multiple choice questions plus 172 to make this reading understanding. There are 10 lectures. These are presented in audio form, accessible under a QR code. This is the unique feature of this book. Incidentally, this book is first of its kind in audio format. The lectures are by experienced and established advocates. They speak on basic and major issues relating to the Constitution. Listening to them will guide you how to address the court the proper way, to connect the text, how to refer to a decided case, and much more. The book is forwarded by Professor Upendra Baxi. Referring to this book would be more beneficial than months of internship. For concepts, you can listen to the audio lecture, and for assessment, you can solve multiple choice questions. This book is a complete package for understanding and evaluating yourself on constitutional law. With my work experience and journey at law school, I can say that along with 3 other major subjects like Criminal Procedure Code, Civil Procedure Code, and Evidence Act, the constitutional law is the most important subject. It must be read not only with the objective to score good marks, but also as a part of life. Thank you.